In this video, I will show you how to use ClickUp to manage your project. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. On the left, you will see spaces. Select Create New Space and give it a name. Select Continue. You can then define your workflow. We're going to select Project Management. Once you have created your space, you will see it on the left. You can click it. You can then make folders for each project or client. We are going to name this website Launch. Then select Create. In your new folder, you can then add lists to organize your project phases. So we are going to name this Phase 1. You can then add an assignee or a due date. We are going to select tomorrow as our due date. Once you have created this list, you can then see your lists at the top and when it is completed. You can then use views to visualize your progress. Board, and there is our Phase 1. And if you click Calendar, you will see when it is due, which is Tuesday, Phase 1. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.